Let's rapid fire through a few Punjabi opposites so you can double your vocabulary. Big is badda. Small, chota. Heavy, para. Light, halka. Clean, saaf. Dirty, ganda. Hot, garam. Cold, thanda. Good, changa. Bad, bura. Strong, mazboot. Weak, kamzor. First, pehla. Last, aakhri. Old, purana. New, nawa. Day, din. Night, raat. Left, khabbe. Right, sajje. Near, nede. Far, dur. Come, आओ. Go, जाओ. Right, सही. Wrong, गलत. Well done. You've now learned Punjabi basics, so colors, adjectives, verbs, routines, days of the week, numbers, and opposites. Keep practicing a little every day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Punjabi lessons. I'll see you all next time. Until then, take care and Sat Sri Akal.